Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the Estral Blue 420D M Sport Coupe. The vehicle is a 2014 64 reg, comes with some very nice BMW optional extras, including a set of the 20-inch 613 M Performance alloys that we've had professionally refurbished in gloss black, and of course comes with a Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and we've opted to go for a very nice mixture of the carbon effect gloss and satin black. It's got angel iron xenon headlamps. You can see there sitting behind those alloys the M Sport Plus brakes. We've got the BMW gloss black air breathers down the side, these satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and has been kept in a really great condition. You can see the Estral Blue works nicely with all of those additions down the side. Comes with sun protection glazing on the rear windows. The interior is a full black Dakota leather with the heated and electric lumbar options for drivers and passengers front. 6-speed manual gearbox, and we should of course touch upon more of the interior features shortly. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, folding armrest, and of course a darkened M Sport headlining, which works really well again with that lighter exterior colour. Once more showing you those 20-inch alloys again. We've got Pirelli P0 tyres all the way around, and we shall head around at the back where we've opted to go, as I mentioned, for a carbon effect rear spoiler and then the satin rear diffuser. The boot space for the 4 Series Coupe is really large. You can fit a lot of amount in there, and it does come with split folding seats to further enhance that room. Onto the driver's side, where once again you can see that all of that is really clean and tidy, and that Estral Blue paint works ever so well with these really high gloss alloys, and of course those satin decals, which are nice and subtle against that lighter exterior colour once again. Moving on inside, we've got power folding mirrors, we've got professional wide navigation and media screen. Of course your power folding mirrors can be controlled using this button over here, or of course the lock button on the key. Starting the car up, we'll run yourselves through a couple of the features of that wonderful larger screen, beginning with the sat nav. We've got Bluetooth for both telephone and audio, and we shall go across and have a look at the DAB. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection, CD and DVD of course, along with external devices for your Bluetooth audio, your AUX and your USB inputs as well. Down here we find dual climate controls and the switches for these lovely front heated seats. I did of course mention it's a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's a real joy to use this manual gearbox. I mentioned it previously in another video that BMW are about one of the only last manufacturers to make a proper manual gearbox. It is a real joy to use. It's covered just over 44,000 miles. It does come with BMW Service History, and we can show you that on screen in just a second. The next service for the car is due in 7,000 miles time, and up at Service History there's 2 recorded services, one for its first service and the most recent service as well. So there is a look around this very nicely spec'd 420D M Sport Coupe. I'm hoping you've enjoyed the walk around and been able to find it useful, and if you would like some more information on the car, remember that you'll find all of the relevant contact information down below in the description, along with links to our website. Thanks guys, do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see yourself soon. Take care, bye bye.